So you've signed up for a free ImmyBot trial and you're wondering what to do next. Great news! This quick start tutorial series is designed to get you up and running with ImmyBot. And best of all, we're going to do it fast. In fact, in the time it takes ImmyBot to update Microsoft 365 on a laptop, I'll have outlined everything we're going to cover in this series. You ready?
Ready.
Go! The goal of ImmyBot is to set up a computer knowing only the tenant and the end user that the computer will be assigned to. ImmyBot uses a declarative approach focused on desired state configuration. Instead of thinking about the steps to make something happen, you define how things should be, and ImmyBot handles the rest. This allows you to focus on the end result rather than the process. By the end of this tutorial playlist,
Done.
Well, what?
Fully deployed.
Okay. By the end of this tutorial, we will show you how to set up ImmyBot, connect your first computer, and create your first deployment. Best of all, it's easy. Can't believe you beat me to the punch again.